This is the Noorio T110 and B210 security cameras. I'll be unboxing and reviewing both, and if you're interested in purchasing either one, there will be links in the description. So let's begin by unboxing the Noorio T110. So here's a look at the T110 camera. There's a USB-C port for power. And there's a speaker on the back. Let's see what else is in the box. There's a positioning sticker. And a quick start guide. Here's the USB-C cable, and it's pretty long. There's a mounting bracket and the charging adapter. There are also two screws for mounting. When the camera lens is moved up, it reveals the micro SD card slot. This camera has 2K resolution video, which provides for a clear and detailed view. For connectivity, it's equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi 6 for a smooth and reliable connection. It has the ability to pan 355 degrees left and right, as well as tilt 60 degrees up and down. This camera provides 24/7 recording and stores days of video footage on micro SD cards up to 128 GB. You can capture and access recordings free of charge, and it's compatible with Alexa. It also has AI recognition, which can identify and distinguish between people and animals or pets.
With the two-way communication, you can speak back and forth with the camera.
An alarm can be enabled to scare away any trespassers. It also has night vision. If you require some privacy or don't want to use the camera, you can turn it off from the settings in the smartphone app. The T110 is a nice, stylish, and compact camera. It's not heavy at all, and can be installed in many locations. From the Noorio app, you can control all your cameras. You can also title or label each section or camera. Once you click on a particular camera, you have more settings from which you can choose. For example, you can change the resolution between 2K, 1080p, and 720p. If you want to speak to someone that's by the camera, you can click on the phone or call button, and you can speak back and forth to and from the camera. You can also choose just to hear them. If you want to sound the alarm, you can click on the alarm button here, and you can review recent activity by clicking on this button. You can also record and save footage by clicking the camera icon or record button. This will store the file on your smartphone unless you have a micro SD card installed in the camera. These toggles can be used to move the T110 up and down or side to side. By clicking the gear icon, you have additional settings. You can adjust notification settings for how frequently you want to be notified or what type of motion you want to be notified for. Wi-Fi settings can also be adjusted here in addition to other smart detection settings. The device or camera can be removed by clicking Remove Device, if for instance you're changing or swapping cameras. Now moving on to the B210. The B210 is a fixed position camera and has a smaller viewing range compared to the T110. It has a powerful magnetic mount that the camera attaches to, so you can also mount it to certain surfaces without needing to screw a mounting plate. This camera is meant to be used outdoors and has a built-in spotlight for that purpose. However, you can still use it indoors if you prefer. The B210 supports color night vision, and you can select activity zones in which you want the camera to pick up any motion within. The camera automatically switches between night vision and color mode depending on the lighting. It's IP66 resistant and has a 180-day battery life. It's also 100% wire-free, so you can install it anywhere you'd like. An alarm can be enabled to scare away any trespassers. Storage on this camera is 16 GB. Both of these cameras are very easy to install. All the settings can be adjusted through the smartphone app, and you get notifications when any movement is detected. You can also use the app to watch live video. I'll place links for both of these cameras in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.